The pursuit of innovation and excellence is the driving force at AMETEK MRO. This dedication to research and development has allowed us to create millions of dollars in cost savings for our clients globally. Inside our walls, you will find some of the most brilliant and experienced minds in the aerospace industry today. Untraditional, innovative solutions in both repairs and original product development has continued to drive our growth and allowed our customers to increase their bottom lines.
There is a sense of pride. There's a sense of acknowledgement and quality. Everything associated with this industry, from sales, operations, management, engineering, is all driven towards the quality of the product to serve the greater of the people that are out there flying.
When you look at why OEM versus a third-party MRO, the customer that loves to work with AMETEK have the need to try to reduce their cost.
That's why we call ourselves the OEM alternative, because we have the same equipment the OEM has at the same level of expertise they have and at a better price.
Our philosophy has always been repair versus replace. Our whole goal is to try to save the customer money while being able to maintain the highest level of quality that is out there.
You know, to have the expertise in our engineering team and our senior mechanic level in order to repatriate those types of rework and or even develop those repairs, that's where really the bread and butter is going to be. That gives us the edge.
Customer service is king at AMETEK MRO, and the dedication to aggressive budgets, deadlines, and constant communication continues to keep our relationships thriving.
It's my passion, my friend. There are so many opportunities to create solutions for the market.
We're adding new capabilities daily, new niches, the new things that keep us, ahead of our competition.
Avionics, landing gear, interiors, fire suppression, oxygen, you name it, we can supply it, we can provide it for you.
In addition, AMETEK MRO businesses provide products and services including pneumatics, electrical systems, heat exchangers, oil coolers, flight controls, and hydraulics.
We have that flexibility and ability to meet and exceed that customer's expectations.
We have the capabilities to bridge the gap between what the market's seeing, what we can do, but more importantly, what we can do in the future.